In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate your Keybank credit card. If you've recently received a new card in the mail, activating it is a crucial step to begin using it for your everyday purchases. Let's walk through the process step by step together. First and foremost, you'll need to access the Keybank website. Open up your preferred web browser and head on over to their official site by entering Keybank into your search engine. Once you've reached their homepage, look for the navigation menu where you'll need to click on the section labeled Banking. This will guide you towards the online banking options Keybank provides to its customers. Next, you'll see an option that says Activate your new card. Click on this link. This step is necessary to proceed to the activation process specifically designed for new cards. If you're not seeing this option right away, do make sure you're clicking through on the correct website and may need to navigate through the personal banking options. Once you've clicked there, you'll be taken to a page prompting you to enroll. You'll need to click on Enroll to set up your card for activation. For those who don't have an existing online banking account with Keybank, enrollment is a standard practice and helps streamline both the activation and future management of your account online. Moving forward, click on My Personal Account. This ensures that your card activation is associated with your individual personal banking account rather than a business or joint account. Doing this establishes the personal banking features you can use with your card. Now you'll be prompted to fill out all required information. The bank needs some personal data from you for verification purposes. This could include your social security number, the details on your new card, or other personal identifiers. Make sure you have these on hand before beginning this step. Being ready with your information at this stage ensures a smooth and quick enrollment process. After double checking to ensure all information is entered correctly, press Next to proceed. Be sure to confirm your details to prevent delays or errors during activation. And there you have it. You're well on your way to successfully activating your Keybank credit card. If at any point you encounter issues, do not hesitate to contact Keybank's customer service for assistance. They can provide help tailored to your situation. Thank you for joining me in this instructional guide. With your new card activated, you're ready to enjoy the benefits and conveniences it brings. Happy banking, and see you in the next video.